What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to turn off YouTube AI Upscaling. So firstly, open the YouTube app on your device or youtube.com in a browser. Tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, go to Playback and Performance. Look for options related to video enhancements, auto resolution, or upscaling. You should find them there. Locate the toggle labeled AI Upscaling, Auto Enhance, or Use AI to improve video quality and switch it to off. If you want full control over video quality, play a video, click the gear icon, then go to Quality. Select your preferred resolution manually. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.